Welcome to codersclub.in. In this video, we will look into the location of JavaScript. That means where we can write the JavaScript. So location of JavaScript, that is where to write the JavaScript. JavaScript may be placed in 4 different locations, namely, first one is called as inline JavaScript. That is, we can write the JavaScript as an event handler inline function for a HTML tag. So that means we are going to write the JavaScript along with a HTML tag itself. Next, internal or embedded JavaScript. In case of internal or embedded JavaScript, we are going to write the JavaScript inside the head tag, that is inside the head tag of the HTML. So HTML basically has 2 portions, that is head portion and body portion. So internal JavaScript is written within the head portion. That is what it means. Next, third one is external JavaScript. External JavaScript, it is written in a separate physical .java file. That means it is totally external. That means we are not going to write the JavaScript inside a HTML. Whereas in this serial number 1 and 2, we are writing the JavaScript inside the HTML file itself. But in case of serial number 3, we are writing the JavaScript not inside the HTML file, but outside in a separate .js file. Fourth one, inside the HTML body tag. So HTML document has main 2 parts, that is head and body. So we have already seen that serial number 2, we can write the JavaScript within the head portion. So we can also write the JavaScript in the body portion also. That is what is serial number 4. Next, JavaScript is written inside the HTML script tag in case of serial numbers 2 and 3. Anyway, which we will see this in detail. So there will be 4 videos for all these 4 different type of locations. Okay. Thank you.